Tools by Andrew Buckle. This tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can quickly create an interesting sketch design from an image using the 3D features. Now, first thing to do, just quickly go over to the custom shape tool or one of these other tools like the rounded, rectangle, etc. I'm just going to custom shape and select the shape option and fill just like that, and obviously select, it doesn't really matter particularly which custom shape, you can select any of them because I'm actually going to move it off the edge. That's the key thing. So just quickly add that custom shape. Now you have to actually add it within the actual document, otherwise it will complain. So just go to 3D and new 3D extrusion from selected layer. And now what you can do, just move it, as I said, move it off. Do that one, so I'll move that to the side because I don't actually want it in the image, so I just want to have the actual image there. Now you notice when you go to scene, you've just got, if you haven't got this panel there, let's go to window and 3D. There's also properties there as well, you see properties there. And scene, you've got surface and you've got style for sketch. Now I'm going to come back to that in a sec, so that's the key thing here. Environment. Now select that, goes by default into the, using the IBL, and what you can see there is background, and I'm just going to, I don't want to set the IBL as a background, I'm just going to say new texture. If I was going to add, so I could add an image, I'm just going to, now I could of course just go and select a file, just go, but I'm just going to, so next one, just go back again, because obviously once you've actually done the new texture, you've got the edit texture. And you can then go to file and I'm just going to go for place. Just select a file. I'm just going to just quickly look for one that I, city skyline, which I quite like. But of course it could be any image, it doesn't have to be that, it's just a JPEG file, standard JPEG file of a city skyline. Now once you've actually done that, I can close that, save, and you can see now that at the background. So once you've done that, you can then go to the scene again, and instead of solid, you can say sketch, and you'll see straight away you've got a nice sketch of a background, obviously of city skyline. Of course, like I say, it could be a photo, any kind of photo, and you can modify it more. It's not just that default one. There is also generate from brush, as well as you can load a texture, etc. But that's the default setting for sketch. Just a fairly nice sketch. It is a pity that there's no like lots of different sketch options in terms of different types of sketches. That would be nice as well. But anyway, it's a reasonable sketch. And which of course once you've done that, you can just go layer and flatten image. Click OK. And there it is, a nice little sketch. And of course you can then manipulate that, maybe combine it with the original image. So you could just say place and city skyline again, place there, and then just go darken, and you've got the multiply, etc. You can vary that overlay to create sort of different types of sketch. Maybe, of course, apply blurs, Gaussian blur, and apply it multiple times. Click OK. Anyway, hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.